Okay.
It says Mark about to doze off, and I'm sure he's not asleep yet.
Look at all those lights come on every time.
Oh, and you wonder how
Did
Kyle's
he get the
sleeping
light
through all
first, Steve?
this.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see
And
if
I
we
want to
can.
point out that we heard this over the television a while ago when we were upstairs. So we came down to see what it was, make sure a bear wasn't down here in the Christmas stuff.
Okay, we'll have to go find the culprit.
Okay, let's go.
So funny.
Okay, here we go.
What are you doing with the video? I know Kyle's enjoying that.
Okay.